Stitchin. If you're new here, I design simply sheet crochet patterns for makers of all levels. You can find the written instructions for all my free patterns on my website, itchinforsomestitchin.com. PDF versions are available in my shop, or you can access them as a member of my VIP community. If you haven't already, I'd love it if you'd tap that like button, leave a comment on down below, and subscribe to the channel for more cozy crochet designs. Today, I'll be showing you how to make my Classic Crochet Leaf in the large size. This simple, elegant leaf pairs beautifully with the Crochet Rose I demonstrated in a previous video. I'll link that for you down in the description. The free written pattern for this large leaf is available on my website, and the PDF version includes all three sizes, small, medium, and large, along with detailed instructions and photos. So grab your yarn and hook, and let's crochet the large classic leaf together. To work up this project, you'll need approximately 2 yards of medium 4 worsted weight yarn, scissors, a tapestry needle, and any size crochet hook you prefer. A smaller hook will create a smaller or thinner leaf. I'll be using a 4.25 millimeter hook to make a larger leaf. You'll start this pattern by making a slip knot and then chaining 12. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, for the first row of this pattern, we are going to be working into the back loop only of each chain stitch. That's this one right here. So let's start by making a slip knot into the third chain from the hook. Remember, we're just inserting our hook under that back loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops. In the next back loop, work a single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through both loops. In the next back loop, work a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. In the next back loop, we're going to work 2 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And let's do that one more time into the same back loop. Okay, and our second double crochet is complete. Now in our next back loop, we're going to work a treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2 again. From this point on, we are working the exact same sequences of stitches as we worked before the treble crochet, but in reverse order. 2 double crochets, a half double crochet, a single crochet, and a slip stitch. There's 1 double crochet, and here is our second double crochet. Now our half double crochet, our single crochet, and our slip stitch. And this is what half of the leaf looks like at this point. The stitches You see here are the front loops of the chain stitches that make up our foundation chain. We'll be working in each of these stitches for our next row. All right, let's turn our work. At this point, you can either crochet over that loose tail or weave it in later. I'll be weaving mine in afterwards so you can clearly see each stitch as I work. For this row, we're going to work the exact same series of stitches as we did for the first half of our leaf. A slip stitch, a single crochet, a half double crochet, 2 double crochets, a treble crochet, 2 double crochets, a half double crochet, a single crochet, and a slip stitch. This section here is where we made our very first stitch, right into the 3rd chain from the hook. So let's begin. Here is our slip stitch. Next, our single crochet. Then the half double crochet. Now, 2 double crochets. Here's one. And here is the second. Remember, into the same stitch. Next in this stitch is going to be our treble crochet. Now, 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Here's one. And here's 2. Next, it's our half double crochet. And then our single crochet. And the final slip stitch goes right here. Then go ahead and bind off and weave in any loose tails. And there you have it. Your classic crochet leaf is finished.